I'm going to show you how to do the increases and decreases that are necessary for this really cool stitch pattern I've used in my cowl pattern. All right. In order to increase, we're going to be increasing 4 stitches. We're going to do it in the space of this one purl stitch. To do that, we're going to utilize the running thread between the stitches. First thing we're going to do is move the yarn to the front, and we're going to go under that running thread as if to purl. And we are indeed going to purl. So there's one. Thread goes to the back, and we're going to knit 1 stitch without taking it off of the left-hand needle. Now we're going to put the thread or the yarn to the front, and we're going to purl 1 stitch in the same place. And yet again, don't take it off, put the yarn to the back and knit the 3rd stitch. We've worked 3 stitches into that 1 purl stitch. Yarn to the front and work a purl again into that running thread between the stitches. Yarn to the back. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches where there used to be 1. Okay, there's the increase. Now we have to do a compensatory decrease. So here we have 5 purl stitches, and we want to get that down to just 1. If you're really good, you can purl 5 together, but I sure can't. So instead, what I'm going to do is with my yarn to the back, I'm going to slip 4 stitches without working them, yarn to the front, purl 1 stitch, yarn to the back, and I'm going to slip each of those stitches one by one over the purl stitch. That's the 4th. There we go. And I have decreased 4 stitches, and it really looks just the same as if I had purled 5 together. And that's what you do to get this beautiful pattern.